I wanted to talk a little bit about how I teach Reiki online and how the classes are just as powerful and just as experiential online as they are in person. So, first of all, if you're just getting started with your Reiki journey and you're taking the level 1 and level 2 classes, the hands on is taught in level 1. So, for the hands on, how we do it virtually is I will give a Reiki treatment and I'll explain what I'm doing. I'll take you from A to Z. So you know how to give a Reiki treatment, but more importantly, you're going to get a chance to practice a full Reiki treatment on someone at your own home. So this could be a family member, this could be a friend, this could be a family pet, but I am going to walk you through the whole treatment. And they can relax on your sofa or on the bed. If you have a massage table, you can use that. And so that's how we do the hands-on portion. And then you, of course, receive an attunement at each level of Reiki. You learn how to do the Self-Reiki. And then you also get to give and receive the remote Reiki in the workshop with your classmates. There's also an opportunity to send Reiki to your loved ones in the class. So the online classes work just so powerfully for all the remote Reiki, and we get the hands-on Reiki covered as well. So there is a ton of experiential work that happens in the classes. If you have any questions about learning Reiki, then just feel free to reach out to me, and I hope to see you in one of my upcoming classes.
All right. Yes, I'd love to hear experiences, feedback from your people or from you.
Yeah, we had a really nice experience actually. Hey, Darren, do you want to say what you felt?
Hi.
Yeah, I'd love to hear what you have to say.
I've had a lot of massage in my life, and I've known Julie now for 3 years, and I've never known her hands to be this hot. Crazy. Super hot. I got like that really awesome kind of euphoria feeling that I get from deep massage. Like real benefit. And then I got teary, like real watery eyes.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for being willing to share.
And Julie just said at the end when she was touching the feet that she was imagining like waves of energy, and that's when I got teary. So who knows?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I got really hot, like different time. I mean, at some point, I almost felt like a little bit sweaty, not like full on sweaty, but just that real like warmth. It was really interesting, and I noticed it at different points. So it felt very, very cool.